In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a Todoist project comment. First, open Todoist in your web browser or the desktop app and sign in if you aren't already. Having the app open on a stable internet connection will make upload smoother, especially for larger files. This process works similarly across platforms, but I'll demonstrate it from the standard project view so you can follow along easily. Next, head to the specific project where you want the file to live. Using the left sidebar, select the project so you're looking at its tasks and details. It's important to attach files in the correct place because attachments added at the project level are visible in the project's comment thread for everyone who has access. If you intended to attach something to a particular task instead, make sure you're in that task's comment area. Today we're focusing on the project level comments. Inside your project, look for the comment option. This opens the project's discussion panel where you can add notes, updates, and, in this case, files that your teammates can view or download. Click Comment to bring up the composer. In the composer, you'll see a paperclip icon. Click the paperclip to attach a file. When the file picker opens, choose the document or media you want to share from your computer. You can also drag and drop a file directly onto the comment box if that feels faster. After you select your file, Todoist will begin uploading it. You'll see the file name or a small preview appear in the comment area once it's attached. Larger files may take a moment, so give it time to finish before moving on. If your upload doesn't start, check your connection or try a smaller file, as plan limits can affect what you can attach. This is also a good moment to add a short note that explains what the file is and why you're sharing it, so teammates immediately understand the context. Clear file names and a quick description reduce back and forth and make the thread easier to search later. That's it. Your file is now attached to the project's comment thread, and everyone with project access can open or download it. You can repeat the same steps to add more files, and you'll always find them again by returning to the project comments. To recap, open Todoist, go to your project, click Comment, hit the paperclip, choose your file, and let it upload. You're done.